Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I tried making some passion trees using expression braids. This is clearly not my invention. This video was inspired by Lovette Speaks. She is amazing. Go check her channel out. So in her video she used straws, but in my case I'll be using skewers or barbecue sticks. And this ultra expression braid from Darling. So once you've separated your hair to the desired size, you go ahead and attach it to the skewer, then secure that using a rubber band. Once you secure that, go ahead and start coiling the hair around the skewer as tight as you can, because the tighter the coil, the more bouncy the hair will be.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Take you there. I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Can I take you there? keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this
So
was
these are all the pieces I've managed to make. I'll go ahead and put this in hot water, and yeah.
Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need.
Can I take you there?
Can I take you there?
Always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it
So
was
all
the
the
first
pieces
time,
have
do you
dried and
remember?
put
Can
out
I
the
take you
coils
there?
and so
Back to when we
bouncy.
felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need.
Can I take you there?
Can I take you there?
Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Can I take you there?
Can I take you there?
Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need.
Can I take you there?
Can I take you there? Can I take you there?
Always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair.
So here I've separated the coils twice, and just to show you how the passion trees will look like. But I'll be doing a video of me installing this DIY passion tree, so definitely stay tuned for that. And now this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed, make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. And I'll
Can't
see
get
you
you
in the
out of
next
my
one.
mind.
Bye bye.
It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there?